What's going on, guys? It's Kyle. Welcome to the Stock Goat YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to be covering the SoFi stock. We are getting closer and closer to that Q4 earnings. And I'm telling you right now, this is going to be a blowout earnings. SoFi is releasing the Q4 earnings report earlier than they've ever released any report. We're coming in on the 27th, 18 days away. I'm telling you right now, Wall Street is about to flip on SoFi. You already see what's happening behind the scenes. Institutional ownership is now at 3-year highs, and SoFi has provided 2026 guidance at 55 to 80 cents, where they said this includes no new business models. And this was literally a year ago. And guys, as of the last quarter, SoFi has released a new business model, which is the loan platform business, capital light, fee-based revenue, allowing them to, make more money on originations that they would not otherwise do to their own balance sheet. This is massive because we just seen the first quarter of the loan platform business hit $1 billion in originations. So along with SoFi putting out an incredible 2025 guidance, smoking analysts on Wall Street, I believe there's a 50% chance that SoFi is going to increase the 2026 guidance that they provided because of what they said the past year. That guidance provided included no new business models. And with the loan platform business, I believe that 55 to 80 cents could potentially go up to 65 to 90 cents, guys. That is what SoFi is going to do to try and battle these short sellers. Remember, this company is still shorted at the 13 to 14% range, even with the stock doubling from $7 to $14, guys. It is still a massively shorted company right now. All management needs to do is put the cherry on top, increase the 2025 guidance, increase the 2026 guidance. Also, see acceleration in the tech platform. That is another massive catalyst aside from the loan platform business. They've been trying to acquire top 10 legacy banking institutions to their banking as a service, software as a service company, Galileo and Technisys. And guys, I think there is a whale on the horizon. I believe SoFi is going to get one of those whales inside of 2025. That is this year. If they don't make an announcement, to the public, you will see it in the numbers. You will start to see the company grow that segment anywhere from the range of $20 to $50 million per quarter. And that's how you know a legacy top 10 bank whale has been landed to that technology platform. Okay. So those are the two massive catalysts that are going to get this stock really moving. The loan platform business, capital light, think Upstart. You're seeing Upstart get a valuation of 12 times price to sale. SoFi right now as a company whole is getting about 6 times price to sales, okay? We could easily see a double from here if the loan platform business accelerates and the technology platform accelerates. Do the math on a simple, 12 times price to sale on potentially, 3.5 billion in revenue this year. That's a valuation of about $42 billion on a market cap. We're talking a $42 stock. SoFi right now is about a billion outstanding shares. So $42, I think, is potentially on the horizon if management lets everything loose, guys. Once again, technology platform and loan platform business both have massive accelerations inside of 2025. This stock right now is beginning to get flipped, and I believe they are about to flip it and load this thing up and take this thing to new all-time highs. So if I did hit all-time highs of $28 3 years ago, and I think we are going to be breaking that pretty soon. Most likely, if this is a blowout earnings report inside of the Q4 report, end of January, the stock will likely make its way up to the $20 level pretty quickly, guys. We already hit 17. We're in a cool off phase right now with macro, CPI report, inflation, Fed. Once that clears and we get to our earnings report, I'm telling you guys right now, this is going to be amazing 2025. I'm very excited. And we're not just looking at the charts, guys. We're looking at the fundamentals. The fundamentals is what's going to take this stock to all-time highs. And I believe SoFi management has been setting this all up for 2025. This is where they have wind at their back. We had a couple rate cuts. We're likely going to get 1 or 2 more rate cuts inside of 2025. Even if we don't, we have those other rate cuts at the end of 2024. That's going to give us a big boost to our lending originations, loan platform originations. I'm telling you right now, SoFi is going to continue to steal market share. Right now, the management team has compensation package bonus at $45, guys. They need to hit that level by mid 2026. And I don't think these guys want to push it to mid 2026. I think they want to get ahead of the curve. And if they can hit it in 2025, they're going to do that, guys. They're going to unleash everything they got. And I believe this is going to be a great 2025. If you find any of this information useful, be sure to smash the like button, drop a comment. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We're going to be keeping you updated daily. Let's get into the video. All right, guys, remember that date, January 27th. As I'm filming this video right now, that is 18 days, not just trading days. Trading days, we're talking about 11 trading days. So, guys, this is going to be coming at you really fast. The CPI report is the 15th. So, understand once we clear that CPI report, I believe we are going to get that little bit of a rally heading into the Q4 earnings. A lot of day traders are going to be trying to, play this stock as well. So, likely in the next week or so, you're going to see the run up start to begin. And guys, I've been covering SoFi for a while, and this is one of the earliest releases that they've ever done for a Q4 earnings report. They usually do like, beginning of February, the 29th of January. This is a very early report for them, okay? January 27th. And if you look a little closely, this is exactly why SoFi is releasing the earnings report a little bit early, guys. Take a look at this, okay? These are the last 4 earnings reports, EPS and revenue, guys. Just go back, to Q4 last year, a 23% beat on EPS, March 600% beat, 60% beat, 15% beat, guys. These dudes just know how to triple beat and raise. And I'm telling you right now, 2025 guidance is going to be absolutely awesome. And I do believe there's a 50% chance that they will give us an increase in 2026 guidance to really get the stock moving. If you've been following the company for a while, you know that a year ago they put out 55 to 80 cents to feel how the market was feeling them out. The market really wasn't feeling the 55 to 80 cents. So I think with the loan platform business being a new business at it and that guidance saying that there's going to be no new business segments, I believe they're going to bring it up to like 65, to 90 cents. Now, understand, guys, SoFi is a bank right now. They operate in 3 lending segments: personal loans, mortgages, and student loans are the 3 big ones. But understand, guys, as of right now, SoFi is going after prime credit, the cream of the crop, okay? Check this out, okay? This may not be known by a lot of people, but we decline 70% and 80% of the personal loan applicants to SoFi. Do you want a company management that is managing their risk and not just going for, short-term revenue numbers and stuff like that? These guys are going to be here for the long term, and you can see exactly what they're doing, denying 70% to 80% of applicants, going after prime credit. And rather than, putting more risk to the balance sheet and opening this number up even more, declining 60% or 50%, what they are doing is they are using this loan platform business, fee-based revenue, capital light, taking risk off of their own balance sheet and gaining revenue, guys. This is going to become a technology, fintech, hybrid multiple pretty soon. If you combine the loan platform business with the Galileo technology platform outside of the banking segment, guys, this is what we've been waiting for. Here's how the loan platform business works. This is on the Q3 earnings report. With our best-in-class product, highly effective marketing engine, and network of respected buyers like Fortress, with whom we announced a $2 billion loan platform business agreement earlier this month, we can officially match the demand of members shopping for loans with the demand for high-quality loans in capital markets. When a member takes out a loan, they gain all the benefits of becoming a SoFi member, along with easy access to other products in our one-stop shop. Even though we originated the loan on someone else's behalf, this enables SoFi to serve more potential members while also further diversifying towards less capital intensive and more fee-based sources of revenue. In Q3, we generated $56 million in loan platform fees, driven by $1 billion of personal loan originated on behalf of third parties as well as referrals. We generated $5.5 million in servicing cash flows, which is record in our lending segment. Our loan platform business in total added $61 million to our adjusted net revenue, guys. This is the first quarter that they have unleashed the loan platform business in Q3. Where do you think it's going inside of Q4 and all of 2025? Think about that for a second. This was $1 billion in originations, and they are denying 70 to 80% of all applications, okay? Think about if they just go from 70, 80% down to like 65 to 75% of denied applicants, guys. This loan platform business could scale to 5 billion, 10 billion in originations extremely fast in 2025, guys. I mean, think about what 1 billion in originations is doing as of last quarter, 60 million in revenue. If you bring that 1 billion up to let's say 10 billion, you're talking $600 million in added revenue potentially inside of 2025. That would be about 2.5 billion in originations per quarter. So this is a massive segment, and the market knows a little bit about, but they want to see what type of scale this can have. And this is what's going to flip Wall Street. You're already seeing what institutional ownership is doing behind the scenes in the first quarter of the loan platform business. Guys, I believe there's a 50% chance that SoFi will increase the 2026 guidance from 55 to 80 cents to potentially 65 to 90 cents. With institutional ownership now at 49.9% heading into this Q4 report, this is going to allow SoFi, if this continues to go up, I believe it's going to go anywhere from the 55 to 60% range after this Q4 report. This is going to take the volatility away from the SoFi stock where you've seen those 20 and 30% dips on earnings reports over the years. This is going to create a more stable stock. More institutional investors will want to get into this company because they are already profitable on 4 quarters in a row. That's the milestone that they just hit in Q3 because they got their first profitable quarter in Q4 2023. But guys, we have another milestone we are about to hit on top of the loan platform business, new segment accelerating, on top of a technology platform potentially going to land a top 10 legacy bank whale inside of 2025, putting this entire tech hybrid multiple company together. Take a look at this massive accomplishment we are about to hit. If you look at the last 5 years of SoFi's net income profitability, it has been a disaster, guys, because they've been growing and scaling, losing a lot of money. Investors don't want to see that. Maybe they wanted to see that in 2020. All the SPACs went public, not the past couple of years, but the good news is, guys, this is about to flip. 2019, 260 million loss, 300 million loss, 500 million loss, 360 million loss, $340 million loss. 2024, we've already had 3 quarters in a row of profitability. We are about to hit all 4 quarters in a row of profitability for 2024, guys, and we are going to flip to profitable in the range of about $200 million. Nobody knows what type of scale SoFi is going to provide in 2025, but if we go from 200 million to, let's call it like 500 million, guys, this stock is going to continue to soar because they are just so early in the game, adding new business segments. I believe it's all going to come together inside of 2025, guys, and I think there's a possibility that this stock could hit $45 once again if they land a top 10 legacy bank whale, and you see this loan platform business scale to the 8 billion to 10 billion in originations, fee-based revenue, capital light, no risk to the balance sheet, guys. This company is going to come together and be a massive, online digital bank that is going to potentially be the #1 digital bank in America. We're competing with companies in the private markets like Chime, who are probably going to go public at the $30-40 billion valuation. That's going to just help SoFi, grow even faster when you see the multiple on their stock go public. So guys, I'm very excited. You can see what's happening behind the scenes. SoFi is ready to release this report, and I think it's going to be a huge report. If you made it to the end of the video, I want to say I really do appreciate it. I enjoyed doing this video for you. Once again, if you enjoyed the video, be sure to smash the like button, drop a comment. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We're going to be keeping you updated daily on all the breaking news with the SoFi stock. My name is Kyle. Hope you have a great day.